Hello guys, I hope you guys are all doing good. Welcome back to Bosque's FX Forex Group. We really appreciate you guys to have you back once again to our YouTube channel. If you are new here guys, just consider hitting the subscribe button and also turn on the notification post so that you get notified when we upload our next video. So guys, here on our YouTube channel we talk about smart money concept. And in today's video, we are going to share with you a good order block confirmation on which order blocks you should take. So guys, without wasting time, let's say the market was coming from what? Drop, base, drop. Meaning this is where we can find our order block zone area. That's where we want to see our orders being activated and to see the market going down. So the price will come back, let's say, with what we call compression going to the order block zone area. After reaching to the order block zone area, the market will activate the big banks pending orders which have been hidden here, and then after activating them, they will just shift the market from that zone going down. Meaning, if you manage to take a trade there, you use this previous lower low as your what? As your take profit. So here is where we want to share with you with the type of candlestick you should take. So guys, let's say the market, you have created what? A bullish candlestick here, and then after creating a bullish candlestick, you see the market engulfing that bullish candlestick going down, creating a what? A bearish candlestick. So this is what we call a what? A bearish engulfing candlestick. So the market will just come back to this zone area to activate what? The pending orders, and then shift the market from that zone. Meaning the price will come and activate the orders and shift the market going down. Meaning you use the previous what? Previous weeks as your what? As your SL, and then your take profit is here at what? At our previous lower low here. Meaning this will be a small risk and good ratio reward going down, meaning you risk less and get a good ratio in return. So the market will just come and smash you what? You take profit, it goes down. And also guys, without going any further, we have what we call a evening candlesticks, where the market will create something like this. Let's say the market will go up and then create a half candlestick here, something like this, something like a doji, they'll create something like a doji, where they'll create something like this. This we call it a evening candlesticks, where the market will create what? Another bearish engulfing candlestick, something like this. So you just wait for the market to come back at this zone area, somewhere there, and then after price coming back to this area, you use your previous what? Your previous week as your what? As your SL, and you do the same thing of taking the profit at your previous what? At your previous lower low there. That's where you take your profit. So meaning if you use something like this, just put your SL above the week of the last price candlestick, and then the price will just come and activate what? Your pending orders and shift the market going down. So this will be also a good what? A good ratio reward in return, risking less. So those are the two types which we are going to be talking about today. So this type of candlestick, you can also find them when the market is going up. Let's say the market will create something like this, drop, base, rally, meaning the price will go and engulf the previous one, the previous lower high, creating a Then after creating a new high, the price will come back with what we call a compression. This is a good price approach to the order block zone area. So here is where we expect the price to return going up, meaning the price have to come back there and take the orders and shift the market going up. So we have what we call a bullish engulfing candlestick, where the market will create a bearish candlestick going down. After creating that, they'll go and engulf that candlestick, creating a bullish candlestick going up. So the price will come back to the same order block zone area, which is this one. They'll come and activate the pending orders for the price and for the big banks and shift the market going up, meaning you put your SL at your previous weeks of those candlesticks here, and then use this higher high as your take profit, meaning you risk less again and get a good ratio reward in return. So these are the type of candlestick which we look for. We also have what we call a morning star candlesticks, where the market give us something like this, give us a weak candle, something like this, going up, and then the price will create a half body of a candlestick, something like this, guys. And then the price will just come and shift the market going up there, meaning the price will come back to this zone, guys. Price will come back to this zone, and then you use this last week of the candlestick as your SL. So the price will just come and activate pending orders for the big banks and shift the market going up, meaning you can also use this new high as your take profit, so you can also risk less and get a good ratio reward in return. So guys, without wasting time, now let's go to chart and give you the examples. So as you can see here, guys, the price was going up. Let's start at this zone. As you can see, guys, the price just came and created a drop base rally, meaning the price failed to reach and break those previous lower high, and now the price has finally taken out those previous lower highs, creating new high highs there. You can see here, guys, we have a bearish engulfing candlestick here. That's where the price have left the orders, and as you can see, that's where the price just came to test, because that's where the good order block is at. So you just have to take this type of candlesticks, and if you manage to take your trades there and use this previous lower high as your take profit, the price also came and test that zone. As you can see, they just came back to test this order block zone area. You can see it here. You can see it here, guys. You can see price just came and activate this morning star candlestick there. So this was a good area to take. You can see they even come back to test this zone. So if you use this lower high here, your take profit was going to be smashed. As you can see, that's more like 57 pips. So if you have even take your trades at this zone, risking over like 14 pips to get a good ratio reward of 56 pips, that was a good trade going up. And you can see also price just came back to test this order block, because the price was going up, breaking those new high highs, creating new high highs, and they were creating also equal higher lows and new higher lows. So the price continued going up, and you can see here was our order block, but the price didn't even manage to come back to take the orders, and the price continued going up. And you can see here with a nice another morning star candlestick, the price failed to come, but you can see the price have created a rally, base rally, meaning at that zone, that's where the market just came to take the orders, as you can see. So even if you use this low of the price here as your SL and then take your trades at this zone, you're going to risk more than 10 pips, and the reward there was over like 44 pips. So this is where you can get good setup, guys. You can see the price even came to give you a second leg. It shifted the market going up, and the dealer just continued going up. And now, as you can see, if we go to H4 time frame, you can see the price just came back to this order block zone area, because the price have created a what? They've created a rally base drop, meaning this was our previous lower low here, guys. As you can see, that's where the previous lower low was at, and you can see the price just came back to take the orders, and you can even see where the price have shifted the market to. So if you manage to take an entry here, guys, you're going to use this as your take profit. And as you can see, guys, in this case, the dealer have even given you a evening star candlestick, which is this one. You can see it here, but they failed to come back there. Why? Because we had a order block in H1 time frame. If we go to H1, we can see that order block. You can see here, guys, the dealer have created a rally, base rally, meaning this zone was where the order blocks were at, and the dealer just engulfed that zone, creating new lower low. And now the dealer finally came back to the previous order block zone area, which we can find here. Here is our bearish engulfing candlestick. So if you manage to use this lower high of the price and use the previous lower low as your take profit, you're going to go in a loss of around that was around 4 pips, but they didn't even take out our previous SL there. And then if we use this low, we're going to hit over like 24 pips. So imagine you risking 6 pips to get like 24 pips. It's a good it's a good ratio reward. And the price continued going down, and you can see this was a base drop, and the price has created a base area, meaning at this zone, that's where we can find our bearish engulfing candlestick, meaning you can see the price. You have to see the price coming back to that zone, but the price have also created a base drop. You can see here we had this doji candlestick, something like a evening star candlestick there. You can see it there, guys, and the price didn't even reach that zone. And now let's go and see what was happening, and you can see the price finally came back to that zone. So meaning if you use this previous low of the candle here and put your sell limits there and use this lower high here as your SL, that's like more than 5 pips, and the ratio reward was more than 45 pips. So guys, you can see this is a good order block zones to take, and you can see this is a bearish engulfing candlestick again, and that's why the price just came. If you use this previous lower low as your take profit, let's say you risk over like 10 pips to get a good ratio reward of like 70 pips, guys. Imagine the price just floated going down and your take profit was going to be smashed. you can see the price just continued doing the same thing. Here is our bearish candlestick, which is not even tested. We'll see if the price comes back to that zone, and you can see at this zone we had this huge candlestick. But if you go to what, to like H4, you can see, guys, the price have created a what, a bearish engulfing candlestick there, meaning our risk here, guys, was going to be over like 26 pips, and the reward is 50 pips. But you can see the price, it's about to approach the previous lower low, and the price just rejected this order block zone area here, which you can find what in H4 time frame. You can see, guys, that's why the dealer just came and they even created what, morning star candlestick there going up. So these are the type of candlesticks which you should look for good order block zone area, guys. So guys, I hope you guys understand this video, because many of you have been requesting to do a video on currency pairs, as we always do videos on our volatility pairs index. And today we have done the currency pairs which you have requested for the good order block to take. I hope you guys will understand this video. Share this video with your family and friends. Also, you can apply this strategy on volatility pairs as well. You can also watch our previous videos which we have talked about many strategies, guys. I hope you have a blessed day, guys. Thank you for watching. Please keep watching Boske's FX channel, and also go and join our Telegram group for free signals and free setups. Have a blessed day, guys. Thank you.